Diana, if you're Rossdale's attorney, I mean, what are you telling him to do right now? He hasn't seen his kids probably in 6 or 7 weeks. We don't really know if he's communicated with them. That's just not, we don't have a lot of the facts, but what would you be saying to Rossdale right now?
I mean, of course, communication with the children is very important, and the courts will question why he hasn't done that if he hasn't, but he should be FaceTiming them every day. And even if they don't answer, at least there's a log that he has been trying to do that. Again, emailing mom and sending her text messages and calling her as well and letting her know that he is trying to communicate. But again, the number one thing anybody should be doing right now, especially with all the courts being open to e-filing, is filing a motion with the court, because it will be enforced more if it comes from a judge. But there's no reason to wait on filing that motion.
Is there a method in which, or is there relief by a court to get guys, the time that they've lost? Like, let's just take Rossdale. Let's just say it's supposed to be every other weekend, or it could be 50-50. Is there, in Missouri at least, is there a way for a judge to say, I'm going to give you makeup time, through some sort of motion, or is that time lost forever?
I had a case myself not too long ago, which we had a similar situation where we had to file a motion for family access because mom had both denied a holiday to father, as well as, every other weekend and a few days during the week for that time period. So we filed a family access motion, got in front of the judge. The judge agreed with our case and ruled in favor of our client. So what the judge did is that the next holiday, although per the previous court order would have been the holiday of mom, then dad's going to have that holiday. And for those, I believe it was about 7 or 8 days that dad had lost, the judge spread those in the next month or month and a half, I believe, for dad to have an extra day every week or extra 2 days every week, depending on the week and the parenting schedule.
Scott, I was going to say, at least here in New Jersey, we've closed schools for the rest of the school year, so now is the time to do it. If it's 7 weeks or more than a couple of weeks, now is the time to file that motion and say, hey, court, the kids are closed, or the summer, can be mine, and it's a good time for parents, because when do we really get 3 or 4 or 5 weeks not being able to go to work? So this is the perfect time to tell the court, I'll take that time now while we're all at home.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's more incentive to do something right now rather than wait when all this break time, just goes by. And many guys think, well, I'll just wait till the court system opens back up. But I just don't think it's a good idea.